Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can capture UTM parameters in Calendly using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a marketing attribution platform that helps you capture the marketing campaign and entire journey behind every lead on your website. To get started, simply visit sourceloop.ai and create your account. Next, add your website to SourceLoop and copy the tracking code. You need to add this tracking code in the head section of your website. If you are using WordPress, you can download a free plugin called WP Code and then navigate to its header and footer section. Paste the code in the header section and click on Save Changes. If you are using any other CMS or website builder like Wix, Webflow or Framer, you can add this tracking code in your site's global header setting. Once that is done, next, add your Calendly on the website where you have installed SourceLoop tracking code. So simply go to Calendly, click on the three dot icon, click on Add to Website, choose Inline Embed option and click on Continue. Copy this code and add it on your website. I have already added this on one of our test website. Next, we need to connect SourceLoop with Calendly. To do this, go to Automation and then navigate to the Integration and App section. Here, search for webhook or API. So I'll search for webhook. We have the API and webhook option. Click on it. Click on Get a Token Now inside the Personal Access Token section. Click on Continue. Name it as SourceLoop. Choose a scheduling option, contact option, and webhook option. SourceLoop need API access for these three data points. Click on Next. We need to verify this. Now we have received our token. Copy this token and then navigate to SourceLoop and go to the setup page. Here, navigate to the meeting section and choose Calendly. Then go to API key and here enter the token that we just created and click on Connect. Now we have connected SourceLoop with Calendly. So whenever we receive a new meeting on our Calendly booking form, Calendly will automatically send this data to SourceLoop and then SourceLoop can use that data to match it with the attribution data that it has already captured for the same user. Let me show you how it works. I close this and then we will visit our test website using some UTM parameter related to meta ad to simulate an experience of someone visiting from one of our meta ad campaign. I hit enter and then we will navigate to the Calendly page where we have our meeting form. I book a meeting. Let's select date, time, enter our name, email as demo@sourceloop.ai and then some dummy text and click on schedule event. So we have booked the meeting. Now let's go back to SourceLoop, go to contact and here we can see it has captured the Calendly submission, but right now it is in pending state. So it can take up to 1 minute for Calendly to send the data and SourceLoop to process the data. So we'll wait for a few seconds, but you can see it has captured the attribution data for the user. But right now email is not visible. Now we can see SourceLoop has received the email from Calendly using the API and the email has been enriched, and if we scroll to the right, we have the UTM parameter captured as well. If we click on the preview, it will show us the entire journey for that lead, like how they discovered our website first, what was the UTM parameter behind that visit, what pages they built, what buttons they get, and eventually how they booked a meeting. You can also visit SourceLoop dashboard to see your conversion breakdown by channel, source, medium, campaign, UTM term, content, etc. If you're using an ad platform like Google Ads or Meta Ads, you can connect your ad account and then you will be able to see SourceLoop attributed conversion for every ad campaign. You can also enable conversion sync, which basically means that SourceLoop will be able to send qualified meetings to your attributed ad campaign so that these ad platforms are able to optimize your campaign performance based on actual qualified conversion data. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.